In this video, we will be taking a closer look at the command git reset and learning what we can do using various flags. We've already used git reset to perform a change rollback. Let's dig a bit deeper into some of the options we have. We have three main states which the changes can have. The first one, they are located in the file system, and I have not added them to the index yet and have not committed anything. To move from the file system to the index, I can use the command git add or call the git GUI and click on our special icon. To perform a commit from the index, we call the command git commit and move on to the next level, the level of the commit. Git reset allows us to modify the changes and move them around from one level to another. Meaning, if we want to throw something out of the commit level back to the index, to remove a commit and everything in it, and toss it back to the index, we can do so by using the git reset command with the flag soft, which is quite a safe option. However, the flag that's used by default is mixed, which means that if we don't specify any flag, then a mixed strategy is used. From the commit, if we do reset, everything is dumped into the file system. And in order to add anything back to the commit, we need to add it back to the index using git add command. There's also the git reset with the flag hard. This one doesn't preserve any changes at all, it simply deletes them. Be careful with that command, it obviously, as many other git commands, cannot be reverted. Let us try to emulate a scenario where we call the different types of resets. I will simply remove the content that I have. I will delete the second verse and leave only the first one. Let's create a commit. Okay, the commit is done. And now it's time to reset it, meaning we need to roll everything back from this commit. Let's check its SHA1, 31D03, this is the most recent one, add the second verse. Let's see what we can do if we use the soft reset option. I will be using git reset head with tilde1. This means going back by one commit. Okay. Check git status and we can see that the song.txt file was modified and added to the index. If we call the git GUI, then we can confirm that the file is already in the index. The changes that were in commit, the removal of these lines, is already in the index. This is the safest option. If I want to commit them now, I simply click the commit button. That's all. Okay, let's commit this now. And now we will do the git reset mixed. Check the log. We see that we've got one more commit. Now we call git reset mixed. Here, nothing actually happened because I didn't define how many commits to reset back by. I will add one more here. This means one commit back. What is Git saying now? It's telling us that there are new unstaged changes after the reset. Call git status and see that the file is modified, meaning the file was changed and was not added to the index. If we take a look at the git GUI, we will find the file is here in unstaged. To commit it, we need to add it to the index first and then perform a commit. Okay, we did a new commit. Alright. We confirm that it exists. Here it is. And you can see again a new SHA1 is generated as always. And now let's run the command git reset with the parameter hard. we add one here again, meaning to move once, one commit back. That's all. Now git status won't offer us anything at all. The changes that were in the commit are just gone. Git didn't store them anywhere. For that reason, git reset hard head is a pretty dangerous command. It should be used only when we know for sure that the commits that we'll be deleting then we will take the head several commits back are obviously useless and contain no useful information whatsoever. Be careful with this command.